I have told from of plasmid. I have told of plasmid things
Plasmid?
earlier.
Hmm.
Now I will study. Now I will tell.
What is plasmid? I don't remember.
DNA. Plasmid is DNA outside the nucleus.
Outside the?
Nucleus. Like nucleus. DNA is found in nucleus, but plasmid is an extra DNA that's found outside the nucleus. Okay, so now from chromatophores we will study. Chromatophore is a cellular, no, it is an extension of plasma membrane, which is responsible for photosynthesis, and it is only found in photosynthetic bacteria like cyanobacteria, purple sulfur bacteria, green sulfur bacteria. And chromatophores contain photosynthetic pigment because it should do photosynthesis, so it contain photosynthesis pigment like chlorophyll and bacteriochlorophyll. Now ribosomes. So ribosome are a non-membranous structure that is responsible for synthesis of protein, and it is found freely in cytoplasm, or it is also attached with the plasma membrane. So when it is attached to plasma membrane, it is known as polysome or polyribosome, and when it is when it is freely expanded in cytoplasm, its duty is to generate or to synthesis the protein for the cell membrane inside cell membrane. And if it is attached to plasma membrane, its duty is to synthesis the protein for extracellular substance, for extracellular things outside the cell. Okay, so there is a concept of DNA, RNA, and protein. So DNA is formed by the process of replication. DNA replication, DNA copy itself and produce more. So DNA and RNA is made from DNA by the process of transcription. And RNA is of three types: mRNA, rRNA or tRNA. So M is for messages, R is for ribosomal RNA, and T is for transfer RNA. Okay. Now RNA is made to protein by the process of translation. So by the process of translation, protein.
RNA is made up of protein.
RNA convert itself and make protein. Yes, it's completed. Now inclusion bodies. So inclusion bodies has no unique membrane. Okay, and it is made up of three substances: granule, phosphate, and cyanobacteria. Granule, phosphate, and cyanobacteria. So it is made up of inclusion bodies made up of these three, and these are present inside the cytoplasm. They have irregular shape. They can be circle. They can be any irregular shape, and it is responsible for the storage of substance. Okay, storehouse. Okay, it is also called a storehouse of reserve materials. And there is also one thing in it, a gas vacuole. So gas vacuole is also the same use. It store gases, and it provide a floating capacity to the cell. Okay. Yes, this is. Cellular extensions. So there are three types of cellular extensions: fimbriae, pili, and fimbriae, pili, and cilia. Fimbriae, pili, and cilia. So fimbriae helps in motility, okay, for the bacteria movement or locomotion. And it contain three part: hook, basal, and filament. Hook, basal, and filament. Now pili. So pili is 1 to 4 in a cell. 1 to 4, and the cilia is numerous in it. Is numerous. And
Numerous.
and cilia is Bristol like. Bristol like, and the pili is elongated structure. Pili helps in pili is made up of pillin protein, and this cilia is also made up of pillin protein. Okay, so that's it. Now Now the prokaryotic cell is completed. Now we will study eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cell, the well-defined nucleus with a nuclear membrane. In the nucleus, there are histone protein present. In prokaryotic, non-histone protein present, and histone protein present. The DNA is double-stranded and linear DNA. In prokaryotic, it is circular DNA. Okay, and in this linear DNA. Now linear DNA present. Yeah, eukaryotic cell. So now there is a concept, plant cell and animal cell. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. So plant cell is slightly big in size, and animal cell is small in size. Plant cell has a big vacuole, and one vacuole which is a big in structure, and animal cell has short vacuoles but numerous, and vacuole centroids. So centroids is only present in animal cell, not present in plant cell. Cell wall only present in plant cell, but not present in animal cell. Yes. Now there is a thing. Cell wall, if removed from the cell, so what is left? Cell membrane. and when cell membrane is removed, it left with protoplast. Protoplast is cytoplasm plus nucleus. Cytoplasm plus nucleus. Nucleus is the largest cell organelle, and it is double bordered, double boundary, double membrane. And cytoplasm has many cell organelles. For example, three types of. First is non-membranous organelles, second is unimembranous organelle, and third is bimembranous organelle. So non-membranous ribosomes and centrioles, unimembranous lysosome, vacuoles, vacuole, Golgi body, and the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and in this bimembranous mitochondria and plastid. Okay, so cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay. Cell membrane. So cell membrane is the outermost layer of animal cell, and the second most layer of plant cell, because plant cell has also one layer also, cell wall. So and cell wall is made up of glycoprotein, sugars, water, and glycolipid. Cell membrane provide shape to the cell. It is selectively permeable in nature. Okay, so it allows only selective material to come and go in the cell.